Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup RingCentral call logs for AI summaries, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your RingCentral account. Once logged in, navigate to the call log section on your dashboard. Locate the time range filter at the top of the call log page. Adjust the time range to include all the calls you wish to backup. After setting the desired date range, click on the download button. Choose the format for the call log export, typically CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, confirm the export. The file will be prepared for download. This may take a moment. Once ready, download the file to your local drive. Open the downloaded call log file to review your call data. Identify key columns in the file that will be useful for AI summaries. These typically include caller names, call durations, timestamps, and call types. Now, prepare to summarize the data for AI processing. Use a spreadsheet program to clean and organize your call log data. Remove any unnecessary columns that do not contribute to your summaries. Next, add any additional notes or tags that might enhance the AI summary. Save the updated file in a suitable format for AI tools, such as CSV or JSON. If using AI for summaries, upload your organized data file to the chosen AI platform. Follow the platform prompts to generate summaries based on your call logs. Review the generated summaries to ensure accuracy and relevance. Make any necessary adjustments to the summaries for clarity. Finally, store both the original call log and any summaries in a secure location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.